Hello everybody, good evening and welcome to techanalytics.com. Today we will review the super buy signals for HNI and long investors. So these signals are available on techanalytics.com website, and whosoever has the techanalytics.com login ID can log in. But for the HNI signals, you have to ask for the demo. uh, you know we will provide you password and login ID. In this session we will cover some of the super long HNI signals generated from Robo AI signal software, and it is published on the website. So we will go through current existing live calls signals which are still generating profit, and how those signals were created on the website. We will go through uh, that process. So first of all, you have to go to the website and log in. If you do not have the login, no worries, we will still go to HNI signals. So on our website we have different signals. you know uh, Positional by default, where swing traders and FNO traders, they use positional buy. Breakout buy is also used by swing traders, FNO and intraday traders. And then after that we have HNI buy, which are purely for the long calls, HNI investors. They are not for intraday. And these are I mean, suppose you have a 10 lakh rupees and you want to invest in HNI. You can hold for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. So what we suggest, for 10 lakhs you split into 5 HNI signals, 2 lakhs each in each signal, and then wait for the return. So what we will do, we will go to the website, as I am already logged in the HNI signals. So at the bottom you will see signals which generated these are descending order. So oldest is at the bottom and then newest is on the top. You can see the date. So Bharti Airtel, for example, HNI buy signals published last year, 22nd August, and the CMP was currently is 554, and profit made by this signal is 57%. So this is for the 554 CMP, but it went up to 610. So if we see the chart, you will see, I will try to see the peak. Peak was 600 something, right? Intraday I think 610, but end of the day it was 594. So this signal is still live, but thing is, 57 profit is already made by this signal from 300 to 52. And risk reward, so this robust software decides what is the risk reward and what should be your entry price and what is the target from the entry and what is the stop loss. So target is still 627 for the Bharti Airtel. Re-entry is yes. You can enter at 554 CMP. What was the closing for Friday? Today is 2nd August. We are reviewing, end of the day is 31st July. And stop loss is 543. So signal is entry is yes. Risk reward is 0.16 and it's a low risk. So another signal we will review is Dr. Reddy. It was generated by RoboSignal HNI 12th August, April, which is approximately 4 months probably, right? And the published price was 36.21. And CMP right now is 45.21. The profit already is approximately 25% from the published price. So if you want to invest now in a Dr. Reddy for the long, there is not much right now. It's 2.5% target, above from the CMP, and re-entry is still yes. And re-entry price as per the AI Robo is approximately 4,300, right? So but the target is very close. So we will not probably choose Dr. Reddy if I have to invest for the HNI. So the thing is, whenever the new HNI signal comes to the website, that time we have to decide if stock quality is good and it has come from the bottom, then it makes sense to invest in that particular HNI invest. And if I open the chart, technical chart, so it when we published on the website was 3621, right? And on April. So if you see the chart, April 12th. So approximately at this price it was published, and since then there is always a buy, and it never actually touched the stop loss. So stop loss is also trailing, as if stock is going up, stop loss and target both will move. So you have to just follow the stop loss, keep trailing your stop loss, and then sit tight and make return. So this is 24% return from Dr. Reddy. And Cipla was another HNI buy signal. It came on 4th of May when published price was 603. And CMB today is 720. So 20% profit in this signal also. And still currently this signal is buy for the HNI. People who can invest for long. And re-entry is yes. Re-entry price is 692, which is roughly 28 rupees from here, and the risk reward is 0.76. So that is good, and target is 765, 6% from here. But for the HNI investor, when you hit the target or you are close to the target will also go up. So it's a constant process. If price is going up, so is the target, and you have to just trail the stop loss. And it's a moderate risk, and the PE for the supply is 37. I'm just going through the large cap HNI calls, and if we want to see the technical chart for Cipla, as I mentioned, it was published on 4th May. So you can see from chart, when robo signal caught this HNI, fourth May 600 rupees. 4th May, I'm just so this was the area when signal came up, and then constant up. There was some down, but it was not that it would have hit the stop loss, right? So Cipla is another, and Lupin you can see 12.5%, Aro Pharma 30% from the signal. So we'll see Lupin 823 was the price when it was published on 5th May. And today, Friday closing 31st July, 926. Profit is 12.49 since it published on the website. Risk reward is 0.33. Re-entry yes. Re-entry price is 905, and the target is very good. It's 1035 for Lupin. Stop loss 862. It's a great buy signal. Still, we can make money. And if you want to see the chart, 5th May, we will see 823. I will click on the chart. It will open chart for me. So in pharma stocks, there was some correction, recent consolidation, right? So this was a time when it was published, and we'll go back and see the date exactly. 5th May, right? So 5th May, if I scroll my cursor for the 5th May Lupin, 5th May, this is the area when we caught this, and you can see it went up to 920, 43 actually, end of the day price, and then there was some consolidation, but still it was HNI investment call, and now 926. So this is another signal. Aro Pharma is it was a splendid signal, 30% return. Britannia 22% return. Sun Pharma 20% return, and you can see Reliance 44.69%. Wow, that was given on 19th May 1428 when it was published. Reliance was 1428, and CP right now on July 31st closing is 2067. It went to 2100 something, right, and then got consolidation. So 44% and re-entry, yes, but target as per Robo is 2218 right now, which is 7% from the CMP. No, 7% from the re-entry, which is 2001 rupees. So another 60 rupees it comes down. There is a re-entry opportunity, but risk reward is still not that much favorable because it's more than one, and stop loss is 1773, which is roughly 12%. So people who already made 45%, they can take a risk of 11%, right, for reinvesting or pumping more money into the stock. But those who want to now enter into Reliance may not be right now is a good investment, because your stop loss is 12%, target is 7%. So we'll ignore that. And so if we want to see the Reliance chart quickly, we can go through. So idea for this demo is people who have money and they do not have the time to manage their investment. Instead of going to the mutual fund, it's better to go for HNI investment stocks. So you pick 5 calls a year or maybe 10 calls a year, and each call gives you 20%, 30%. That's enough. You can make 20%, 30% easily per signal if you follow right buy entry strategy, right, and just use our Robo software signals. So when we were just seeing 19th May, Reliance was published, HNI. So yeah, this was the area when signal published on the website, and 1400 from there it went to 2000. So 50% roughly, 2177 actually, end of the day. So that was a good call. So we'll see some more stocks. So we want to give the idea to long investors, people who are in job and business. They have funds, but they do not have knowledge and experience, and they rely on mutual fund, which gives you 10%, 12% a year. It's a waste of money. If you do some if you take some effort to understand the software and manage your investment, you can do everything yourself. You don't need anybody to manage your investment. So HCL Tech is the another HNI buy signal. It published on 21st June. And the price was 569, and CMP on 31st July is 705. Profit is 23%. Re-entry, yes, but it's a high risk. So software is giving you warning. So you have to wait because target is probably hit 1760. So we'll avoid that signal for time being, but it profit is already made 23%. Hero MotoCorp is another HNI investment signal, where it was published on 23rd June, last month only, June actually. So 2421 was the price, and CMP on 31st July is 2676. This is also in the consolidation mode. Actually, it went to 2800. You see the chart 28969. So if I see when it was published, 23rd June, 24th, 21st June, Yeah, I am on 20. I am scrolling on 21st. So it is on Sunday, June 3rd week. It was published, and since then it went to 2800 or something, and then some pullback, right? So that is another example where so on 28 approximately 2900, probably profit would have been 15-16%. But for the new investment, re-entry is yes 0.57. You have to enter at 2672, which is close to last closing price CMP, and target is 3018, 12% from here. For the new investment also this makes sense, and stop loss will be 7% from here. If so, that is another call signal. And TCS was published on 27th June. Price was 2115. TCS has been a little bit volatile recently. It goes to 2300 and then comes down. 250 comes down. So it's like testing patience for the investors. But we know it's India's largest software company, right? So everybody has trust on TCS. Yeah. So if we see the chart for the TCS, and it was published 27th June. So I scrolled to 27th June. Yeah, now I can see 26th Friday. It was published on Saturday. Right. So 26th June Friday closing price would have been 2118, right? And since it went to 2670 and then again 2309 end of the day, but still it is in the HNI buy signal. So profit is approximately 8% as we speak on 2nd of August. So if you have to enter 2027 is your entry, which is roughly 50%, 50 rupees down from here. The target would be 2368. The target wise is not right now very rewarding, so we'll have to probably wait or look for other signal. Infi, yeah, it was a good signal. 764. It was published on the website on 6th July. It went to 966, and profit is already 26%. Right now, no entry because software says avoid, target is already hit. Right. So 959 is the target. So we'll have to wait for the Infi for more correction. So let me see the Infi chart. As we speak, 764 and 966 is the CMP. 764, yeah, on 6th July. Let me see 6th July. It is June, 6th July. Yeah, Monday, 764. Right. And since then it's spiked up 25% on the quality stock. What do you need? You just simply blindly invest and sit 25% in 1 month, right? So we try to catch these HNI's buy signals. As I said, people who have money, जिनके पास पैसा है, fund है, time ज़्यादा नहीं है, they want to invest in quality stocks, and so आप मान लो 10 लाख रुपए 20 लाख रुपए वो 4-5 HNI सिग्नल्स में अलग अलग स्प्लिट करके डाल दें. सो हर एक का रिटर्न अलग आएगा क्योंकि हर स्टॉक अलग है. कोई आपको 10 दे रहा है, कोई 20 दे रहा है, कोई 30 दे रहा है, कोई 40 दे रहा है. और TCS ने अभी जैसे 10 के आसपास ही दिया हुआ है, करेक्शन चाहिए हुआ है इसमें. इन्फी ने आपको 26 दे दिया. बजाज जुलाई में स्टार्ट हुआ है, लीवर अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है तो उसमें ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट नहीं आया. आइशर मोटर आप देखें तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 9% का आ गया, राइट. 14 जुलाई में स्टार्ट हुआ है. So this video was only for HNI investors and people who can hold money for few months, and they can do swing trading either by investing in long. It can take the waiting time is a little bit more. It's not like intraday or swing trading in a week you are out. So for those intraday and swing trading we have breakout and positionals. But this video we are just focusing on the swing HNI buy, and then if we sort, I'm just filtering quickly for the mid cap stocks. Mid cap stocks also, Devi Slab 50%, Ajanta Pharma 46%, GMT Auto 94%, Scots 37%. This is 7%, Star HNI, Biocon already given 24%, Naukri 30%. So each signal is 10%, 20%, 30%, 50%. See Tatacom 67%, Cadillac 20%, Mindtree 23%, Tata Consume roughly 19%. Webco, I think in May they started and then it went down. So Balkrishna 23%. Idea HNI already made, I think it went from 9 rupees from June 21st, it went to 12 rupees and then came down. Now stop loss is hit. So you should be out. Jindal Steel 19%, Memphis 30%. So I suggest people who have money and they want to see themselves live, they can call us for the demo. I will talk to them personally and explain more if they have more questions. And I said this is purely for HNI. We will do the another Facebook Live and YouTube for FNO signals, which we will cover positional buy and the breakout. So thank you very much for attending this session.